Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a slime video. And so we got some borax, this heavy thing of borax. And we got some plastic cups. And we got like some Elmer's glue, but we have 3 of these. And we got little spoons to like, just to see how the amount is. And we got 2 bowls. And yeah, that's basically it. We'll pause it.
Wait, food coloring too?
Yeah, food coloring. You have like blue, green, blue.
In it too.
Yeah. So we'll pause it until we're ready. Bye. See you. Hey guys, so we're gonna pour the stuff in 1 minute. Hey guys, so my mom cut these open, these little spoons, and so we're gonna put them in here while we are ready. While we're gonna wait for her. Guys, we're gonna start it right now. So we poured the borax in right now,
In the water.
Yeah, in the water. So Sarah here is going to stir it. But it's not in these cup bowls right now. But it will be.
Here, Sarah. What is this? Is that a piece of borax or the box?
I think it's a piece of borax.
Yeah. Here you go, Sarah.
Hey, stop getting in it. No.
So she's stirring it right now.
Oh, here, Sarah. Just stir it.
Sarah's gonna stir it.
Sarah's stirring it. Jordan, please stop. You're about to knock the damn bowls off.
Is that good?
About an inch high. Yeah, that's fine. Oh shit. That's it.
We poured the glue in there. It's like right. Get out of the trash. It's right here, you guys. That's the glue. There's the water.
Other paper cut.
Oh, it's still in there. Like it's in the bottom.
Add 3 tablespoons of water to the glue.
We're gonna add 3.
Oh, there is one.
I'm gonna add
Just
3
keep stirring,
tablespoons of the water to the glue.
In here. 1, 2.
Can I do it? And then I'm gonna put the 3 in there. So
There you go.
we put the water and the glue. It looks kind of weird. It looks like this glue, and then the water's up top doing nothing. So this is the water. This is the glue. Can I see?
Yeah, there's still a lot of.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't think you have to. Careful, Jordan.
I'm gonna stir up the glue and the water.
Okay.
It feels cheaper.
Yeah, I think that's.
It smells good.
Can I smell it? It smells like bleach.
Does it really?
Yeah.
No. Wanna smell, Mama?
No, baby. Keep
Dang it.
stirring.
I got it on my foot. Can I pour it in there?
Alright, solution.
So I'm gonna just put it right here.
Pour it in here?
No, hang on a minute. Stir it, Jordan.
Oh no, but you're supposed to do it in the bowl.
No, you're not. You're supposed to be doing it in the cup, honey. I'm reading the directions.
This smells just like water.
Now it looks just like a big bowl of glue.
Take your water.
Sorry, my camera's blurry. It's just.
Alright. We only have, this is only that's enough to make it.
We got the food coloring. So Mom, I'm doing blue.
I forgot to get.
I'm doing blue and purple.
Hang on, Jordan, because it's only going to come out in one color, so just
Oh,
check.
it can only come
It can only come
out.
out in one
Guys,
color.
Yeah.
I can't even see.
Yeah,
Like
because
it's
we're only making that one.
Like, look at
I'm
my
not, honey, I
spoons,
don't know.
like-
I'm just as dumbfounded with this stuff as
Can
y'all are.
What's it?
I know I have food coloring here. No, we do.
We got Hershey.
I just don't know where it's at. I'm nervous that if we put that stuff in it, that it won't work.
Why did the Hershey's?
But, you know, that's good.
We've already had them. I think your fish is dead, but it's just sleeping.
I got food coloring.
My fish are so. My fish name
Ernest.
is Ernest. It's blue. It's pretty blue.
It's a Japanese fight.
Mommy, you're supposed to pour it in here and stir it with your hands.
No, you're not. I'm telling you, I'm going by the directions, Jordan.
Guys, this is what it looks like now. Can I fill it, Mama?
Add food coloring to the glue concoction. Okay, so we're gonna do this color right here.
Are we doing blue?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one because I don't know, Jordan, how this shit's gonna turn out. Because I know I got food coloring.
Hi. Comment down below if you think he's cute.
He's a sweet one.
And like this video, like this video,
paw.
and please subscribe and comment.
Give me the glue stuff, Jordan. Wait a minute, just drop like 4 drops in there and let Sarah drop some in there.
Hold the cup one. One, two.
Okay.
How much?
Just like four more drops.
We do like 2 colors. 1, 2, 3.
Just squeeze it. Hang on, Jordan. Hang on. Hang on. We'll put one more color.
This is not how you make
in.
slime.
Jordan,
I've watched this.
please hush.
It's like gooey. This is not.
Jordan, I'm reading the directions.
Can I start it?
Hang on, come here.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do another color. I'll show you after we're done.
Not sure if it's gonna turn out, but
Hey, guys, it's kind of doing good. I don't know. It's starting to fluff up a little. It kind of looks pretty pink. Yeah, it does. It's like kind of a pinkish peach. Orange. We might be going to be putting some more colors in there. Hold on 1 second. See, it's kind of like pretty swirls. I don't know if you can see that. We're supposed to pour it in a bowl, you know, right?
you're gonna stir that up and let me continue on with these directions.
I just hope it.
Okay, now take the borax solution.
I thought you were about to
And
eat it. No.
1 tablespoon of liquid.
Smell it.
Listen,
It smells like.
listen. Fifth step was take your borax solution and add 1 tablespoon of the liquid to your glue mixture and combine well. So where's my measuring spoons?
Your measuring spoon.
Right here.
Okay, so it looks pretty purple. I like it more than the red because it's kind of.
You mean the peach?
Yeah, the peach.
It said it was peach, but it kind of looks red. Or orange, we don't know. So when we're all done with the things, we're gonna just pour them in there and play.
I don't know, honey. We have to wait and see what's going on. Here, hand it to me, Jordan.
It's still liquid.
Jordan, honey, I don't know what to tell you. Borax solution, tablespoon to the liquid.
Guys, I'm just gonna sit it on the counter a little bit. Stir it so much.
All right, hand it here, baby.
This?
Yeah. Okay.
It kind of looks slimy now.
Yeah.
Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl.
No.
Okay.
We would have to seriously double up.
This is why I told you to put it in the bowl.
We would have to double everything up to put it in bowls. This is what they told us to use.
We're just gonna pour it in the bowl, guys, in a second, because it's like it's working good. Okay, we're putting it in the bowl.
No, we're not. We have. This is it, Jordan. This is it.
This is our slime?
Yes, because we still got to make a whole nother one too.
Tonight?
Yeah.
What, you just want to make one?
No, we got to make one for each of you. But this is gonna be it.
This is that one.
Whichever one.
Can I stir some?
Yeah, stir it, but. Yeah.
Oh God! You try.
Mm-hmm.
I can't stir it. I can just get it off the spoon.
Let me hold it.
We made pudding.
You sure did. It worked.
I want to show the camera.
Don't pour it on your computer,
That's what
Jordan.
it looks like. So this is yours. Oh my.
Okay, let me hold it. Wait, no.
No, you want it. Do you want the purple?
Do you want the purple, Jordan?
No. What color do you want?
Well, listen.
I'm doing first. Do we still get to put the sparkles in it?
Sparkles in what?
Slime.
Oh, glitter?
Yeah.
I forgot. So you.
Bye, you guys. Bye, you guys.